And of course, beside me is the very talented Miss Paulina Yung. Before I ask each one to give an opening statement, sa opening statement, I will request one or two songs from the person beside me. Let's start muna. I will ask everyone to give an opening statement about this project, their role in this animated cartoon movie. The title is Plump Blossom. Plump, ibig sabihin, malusog. Mas maganda, malusog. Blossom, kasi there's a very famous Chinese and Asian flower called plum blossom. P-L-U-M. Pero ito, magaling itong producer. Ginawa ng plum blossom. Let us call upon the producer, Ms. Rosana Wang, to give us a short overview. Pinaalala sa akin ni Clarissa, before the opening statements, let us view the trailer first. Short trailer of the movie, Ms. Clarissa. Iulit lang may sound dapat. The movie seems to have, of course, romance, history, comedy, may action pa, may war epic pa yata. So Ms. Rosana Wang, the producer of Capitana Anila Entertainment, will give an opening statement. Anything about the movie? When is it showing?
Thank you very much for coming. Okay, this movie will be shown on September 23 during Mid-Autumn Festival. Mid-Autumn Festival is a very important festival in Chinese history. Also, the Chinoy people, it's a celebration that we observe annually. And it is also known as the Mooncake Festival. So we're going to show it on September 23 in theaters nationwide. The movie is a movie inspired, although we didn't call it a Tang Dynasty movie, it is inspired by Tang Dynasty of 1,400 years ago. And our princess here is a plum princess because I saw in my visit to Shaanxi History Museum that the figurines there of the noble women are mostly, not mostly, all are so blonde. We don't call it black because it's politically incorrect. So out of that full figure women, what if one of them were a princess? So they started the movie Princess Plum Blossom. Plum Blossom because it's a word play out of the Chinese flower, plum blossom, which is also called the national flower because it's the only flower that blooms during winter. And the more cold it is, the more it blossoms. So it's known to be a flower of resilience. That's why it is the symbolism of this movie, plum blossom, plum blossom. So that is how we started the movie. Oh, I forgot. And I want to thank all the voice artists who did this project, but I myself have been doing it. Hindi ko akalain matatapos ko kasi ang hirap talaga. And each step of the way, I was almost going to give up, but I still continued. Nagulat na lang ako, I reached the finish line. Together with all the people, the production people and the voice artists, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Ms. Rosana Wang. Para hindi natin makalimutan, September 23 yan, don't forget. Reminder yan, September 23, nationwide showing. Let us help promote this very wonderful project. Hindi ko rin makalimutan, the next person to speak, farthest geographically, but very talented, si Mr. Thunderson Tan, nasa pinakadulo sa kaliwa, is a multi-talented person. Hindi lang siya I suggest everyone here should follow his social media if you want to become plump and healthy. Kasi magaling siya sa food tour. I remember there was a Pandesal forum here. I invited him as one of our media guests. Tapos si Alvin at Chico lumapit sa akin, sabi, Sir, pinapalo ko yan si Thunder. Sabi niya. Kaya si Mr. Thunderson Tan is not only a very credible and popular food and culture expert sa social media, he is also educator. Former teacher, now owner of the Lanlan Language and Culture Center. It's an educational institute. Plus, good news for people here who love to eat like me. He is the owner also of the newly opened, Jelly, pasya na tayo, malapit lang, Chino Cafe. Ang Chino Cafe niya, ang spelling is C-I-N-O Cafe, located at Amoranto Street or Retiro near Manawe. Let us welcome Thunderson Tan to talk about the movie Plum Blossom and anong role ng talented educator and food expert. Ikaw din kumakain o nagtulog? Yes, Mr. Thunderson Tan, why we should all watch this cartoon movie also?
I think we already had Mano Po and Kent Pai Willow, locally produced movie that talks about a bit of Chinese culture, although ang Mano Po, Kent Pai Willow, is more on the Chinoy culture. Now this one is a very beautiful story that has some romance, suspense, and may war, you know, something like that. But what I appreciated most here is it shows some of the more realistic and authentic side of the human nature na we don't usually see sa mga animated films. It's that the princess is matakaw and hindi sexy figure. Doon ako interested eh. Matakaw siya eh, kasi matakaw rin ako. And she also loves to cook, so it's a very interesting story. Maganda yung plot twist. No? So parang meron din na mga princess na matakaw, na medyo mataba. No? Pero in Chinese, we don't say mataba. When we see each other, oh, tumaba ka. That's very Filipino. The Chinois will say, oh, it's like a hoksyong. You are more hoksyong. You see the title, it's Hoksyong Gongzu. Hoksyong Princess. Hoksyong. Hoksyong. Translate niya na plum. Plump. Siguro, you're taking inspiration from the plum blossom, plump, magkatunog, no? Pero actually, plump nga yung translation ng hoksyong. But it's not 100% the same. There are some nuances here. When you say
Prosperous.
hoksyong is you look nice kasi medyo mataba ka. Now, in the Western culture, ang weird nun, paano ka naging you look nice kung mataba ka? And in-explain ni producer Rosana kanina na in the Tanda NSC, lalo siya mag-explain sa inyo. Dati kasi pagka sexy ka, malnourished ka. China. So, okay yun yung maging hoksyong. Eh ako hoksyong ako eh. So, when we see each other in the Chinoy community, pag nakita ka ng medyo tumaba, whether chubby or talagang fat or super fat, we don't say, bika puli, tumaba ka. We say, hey, di ka hoksyong. I-Englishin mo, oh, mas healthy ka ngayon and blooming. Healthy and blooming. Ibig sabihin, gumaganda ka, pero hindi papayat, kundi palaki. You say hoksyong. So, I love the title of this movie. So, panoorin niya. So, aside from a beautiful story, it also shows you some Chinese culture. So, you would know about the flowers, about paano yung tradition, yung habits ng mga Chinese. Mas maintindihan niyo yung culture ng China na sinaunang panahon, no? And then, mas maintindihan natin bakit gano'n ang Chinoy ngayon. Diba?
Ikaw ba daw, mamaya nagtatanong, ikaw ba ang cook o kumakain?
Dito, extra lang ako actually dito.
Okay,
thank you.
Thank you, that's Mr. Anderson.
Anderson is the cook. sidekick of the head chef.
Wow.
I really wanted Thunderstorm because parang siya yung, because he's a cook.
Ay, next time tatalingan tayo sa the best restaurants in Metro Manila. Siya din pala expert ng siopaw. We're the best siopaw in Metro Manila. Thank you, Mr. Thunderson, and reminding us about Black Blossom. And by the way, I forgot to mention kanina, sinabi ni Miss Rosana Huang, yung Tang Dynasty. Ang galing ng history reminder niya. Napasa ko rin yan sa museum. All the empresses and princess of the Tang Dynasty, haba siya puro plug na. Ang measure nila of beauty, plug. Kung sobrang payat daw, parang limited type of food. Next to speak, by geography to hindi to by age of importance, by geography. Next nearest to Miss Rosana Huang is another talented person, si Mr. Don Puno. The first time I heard his name, nung sinabi ni Miss Rosana Huang, the next ko, wala na si Mr. Don Puno, kaibigan ko yun yung famous newscaster, do you remember? Are you old enough to remember? The famous newscaster and famous lawyer na very humble. Alam mo, magaling na humble. Pamangkin ito ni Don Puno, na kasing galing. Si Mr. Don Puno is a part-time voice actor, is a theater artist, he's a producer of film and theater and advertising, and graduate siya of California State University Northridge, where he studied theater and film. Hindi lang siya na pinabili ng suka pagbalik theater actor na. Talagang nag-aral siya ng theater and film. Let us welcome Mr. Don Puno to talk about this movie and this role. Mr. Don Puno.
Hi, good morning, everybody. Thank you all for being here this morning. I am playing General Jian in this film, Plum Blossom, and I guess I have to say, I feel like I'm the only non-Chinoy up here, so I feel very grateful to be joining you guys here and accepting me into the fold. Yes, so this film is it's a really interesting period film. The animation is very good, as well as the voice acting. I play General Jian, who is basically the general in the story. I get injured, and Plum Blossom nurses me back to health, and that's pretty much my role in the film. And you will have to watch the film to see how the rest of it unfolds.
Thank you, Mr. Don Puno. Please prepare your questions for everyone. Next, based on geography, we have a very talented person. As sabi ni Miss Rosana Huang, when she texted me, sabi niya, Miss Paulina yung Broadway singer. Akala ko may edad na. Akala ko very old opera singer kasi, di ba pag Broadway opera, akala ko may edad na. Tapos nakita ko, parang college student lang. So si Miss Paulina Yung, by the way, is a Broadway singer. She performed in the Broadway na sikat, The King and I. She performed in the national and international tours of the Broadway musical. And before she speaks about her role and herself, pumayag siya, pinulit ko, can you sing at least 2 songs for our special guest? Alam mo, itong mga guest natin ngayon, pinili personally ni Miss Rosana Huang. This is the first time in our Pandesal Forum na every single guest dito, siya ang personally nag-invite. Usually ako ang namumulit, in a nice way naman, to invite. So, we are privileged to listen. Tsaka FB Live tayo, di ba? So, we would to request the very talented Miss Paulina Yung. By the way, meron pa ako chismis. Sorry, bago siya kumanta. Meron chismis pa ako na discover ko. Let us congratulate her for being accepted to Harvard University. She is going to study this autumn, itong autumn this year. Nanakawin na siya ng Harvard for studies lang, master's degree. Kaya we are fortunate to have her offer us 2 songs. First song na ipaperform niya is an excerpt of one song from the movie Black Blossom. Sabi ng producer, huwag yung buong kanta para they will go to the movie to watch it. Excerpt lang. Yes.
Hello everybody, my name is Paulina Yong. Thank you Wilson for the very nice introduction.
And the second song, I forgot baka makalimutan niya, merakon siya, the second song from the musical, Broadway musical, Phantom of the Opera. Isang song, dalawang song. So paki-ready mga camera niyo in video.
Okay, so
Miss Paulina Yung.
thank you Wilson. So it's very wonderful to be a part of this project, and today I wanted to share one of the songs that I sang in the film. So ako po yung singer dun sa film, ako yung kumanta po. So ang title po ng song na to ay Wait For Me. Inaantay kasi nung princess na bumalik yung general. So dito sa song na to, I'll just sing a part of it, no? Till the heartstrings bring you back again, till your voice returns like springs. Let this promise soft but strong be more than just a ring. So yun po yung isang part na yung
Ang
song.
ganda ng boses.
Thank you.
Ang ganda ng boses. She promised a second song excerpt from a musical, Phantom of the Opera.
Yeah, I'll just sing another excerpt kasi nag-request po si Wilson na kumanta daw ako ng musical, sabi ko sige, Phantom of the Opera na lang. So the title of the song is Think of Me. Think of me fondly when you said goodbye. Remember me every so often, promise me you'll try. On that day, that not so distant day, when you were far away and free, if you ever find a moment, spare a thought for me.
Ang galing! Ang galing! Wow! Uy, ito si Jerry Montoya, oh. Taga-PMTPN siya. Oo. Ang galing! Let me see, one more song excerpt daw. Nakiusap, isa pa. Any song you like. Any song, whether Broadway or hindi. Sorry, nakiusap.
So I'll just sing the other song na lang po, na galing po sa film Black Blossom. Sana po supportahan po ninyo yung movie at yung album, no? Lalabas
Uy, may album pala.
Oh, may album, may original soundtrack. Kaya may OST siya. So, ang title nung this song that I'm singing is Under One Moon. It's a duet, but I'll just sing an excerpt from it, no? In the silence of the